Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, and you just click on settings. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on investing here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to Dividend notices here. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me here. Dividend notices notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.